Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients so the process moves efficiently. Use 2 cups pancake mix, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup melted butter at room temperature. Add 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 cup chocolate chips for a classic sweet cookie. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line a baking sheet with parchment or a silicone mat. This prevents sticking and encourages even browning across the batch as you prepare the dough. Whisk the melted butter, egg, and vanilla in a bowl until smooth, then stir in the sugar and fold in the 2 cups pancake mix until just combined. Avoid overmixing to keep cookies tender. If using mix-ins like nuts or oats, fold in 1/2 cup additional ingredients at this stage. Portion dough using 1 tablespoon scoops and place them 2 inches apart on the sheet. Chill the dough for 30 minutes for thicker cookies or bake immediately for flatter cookies. Bake the portion cookies at 350 degrees F for 10 to 12 minutes until edges are set and centers remain slightly soft. Oven times vary, so check at 10 minutes. Cool the cookies on the sheet for 5 minutes so they firm up, then transfer to a rack to finish cooling completely to avoid sogginess. Store baked cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for 3 days, or freeze them for up to 2 months. You can also freeze raw dough balls for 1 month and bake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.